Guys, I'm at the nature center in my current spot. These are some desolate bees. Bees. Look at this guy. He's a rattlesnake. Copperhead snake. Poisonous don't have. Oh, I get chocolate on my face. Oh, isn't that real? What is this?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Hagrid! Fact about the eagle that's gonna be in this video, it doesn't make that screeching sound as you thought, as every American thinks it does. It actually makes a burping sound, like. Bye.
To Canada, and don't forget some parts, and don't forget about some.
Checkmate. My cabin's in the woods. Hey, Jimmy, off my lawn. Off my lawn. This year, every weekend. I'm now Wolverine in my chair. I make no sense whatsoever. Hey, we're going into a auditorium hallway right now. It's really cool because everything glows in the dark.
Look at Sam's shirt.
Look at my shirt. I can't look at Sam's shirt, but I'm next to Saturn. I'm as big as Saturn. So anyway, guys, hold your shoulders high and keep it random. Bye.